In the demanding world of finance, precision, compliance, and efficient team collaboration are not just desirable, they are absolutely essential. Whether you're managing complex financial audits, tracking investment portfolios, overseeing budgeting cycles, or coordinating financial reporting, the right project management tool can make a significant difference. Two popular contenders in this space, ClickUp and Asana, often come into the spotlight. But when it comes to fostering seamless team collaboration within a finance context, which one truly pulls ahead? As a finance management expert, my perspective leans heavily on features that enhance clarity, control, and ultimately financial accuracy. While both ClickUp and Asana are powerful general-purpose project management tools, their strengths and weaknesses play out differently when applied to the unique needs of a finance team. Let's break down the comparison from a finance lens. The core of collaboration, communication and transparency. For any finance team, clear communication is non-negotiable. Misunderstandings can lead to costly errors. Both ClickUp and Asana offer robust communication features, but with subtle differences. Asana's strength. Asana often prides itself on its clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for team members to quickly grasp how to comment on tasks, provide updates, and engage in project-level discussions. Its focus on task-centric communication ensures that conversations are directly tied to the work being done. For a finance team that values straightforward, organized communication without too much clutter, Asana's approach can be highly effective. Project message boards and simple task commenting make it easy to follow specific threads related to a financial report or an audit item. ClickUp's versatility. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive suite of communication tools, including its own built-in chat features, document collaboration, and whiteboards. For finance teams dealing with complex financial models, needing real-time brainstorming sessions on budgeting strategies, or requiring collaborative editing of financial statements, ClickUp's broader communication canvas can be a distinct advantage. The ability to embed various views and even external documents directly into tasks within ClickUp reduces the need to jump between multiple applications, centralizing discussions and data. This can be particularly useful when discussing complex financial regulations or reviewing detailed budget line items. Task management, the engine of financial operations. At the heart of finance is meticulous task management. Every financial report, every audit step, and every transaction needs to be tracked precisely. Asana simplicity and structure. Asana excels at straightforward task and project management. Its strength lies in its ability to quickly create tasks, assign them, set due dates, and establish dependencies. For finance teams that work with well-defined, repeatable processes, like monthly close procedures or quarterly reporting cycles, Asana's structured approach and clear dependencies can be highly beneficial. The visual representation of tasks in lists and boards makes it easy to see what's pending, what's in progress, and what's complete. ClickUp's customization and depth. ClickUp offers an unparalleled level of customization for task management. With custom statuses, advanced custom fields, which can be invaluable for tracking specific financial data points like budget allocated, actual spend, variance, or approval status, and a vast array of views, list, board, Gantt, calendar, box, mind map, etc. ClickUp allows finance teams to tailor their workflows to an almost granular level. This is particularly powerful for complex financial projects or those with unique reporting requirements, where standard task fields might not suffice. For example, tracking the status of multiple budget proposals and their associated approvals, each with distinct financial implications, can be far more detailed in ClickUp. Financial control and reporting, the bottom line. From a finance perspective, the ability to track resources, manage budgets, and generate meaningful reports is paramount. Asana's high-level visibility. Asana provides good high-level visibility into project progress and workload management, especially with its portfolio and workload features, available in higher-tier plans. This can help finance managers understand team capacity for financial projects and identify potential resource constraints. Its reporting focuses on core project metrics, which can be useful for summarizing project costs or timelines. ClickUp's granular tracking and reporting. This is where ClickUp often shines for finance teams. Its built-in time tracking, robust workload management features, and highly customizable dashboards with over 50 widget options offer a much deeper dive into project financials and resource allocation. Imagine tracking billable hours for a consulting project directly within ClickUp, monitoring budget versus actuals with custom fields, and generating detailed reports on project profitability, all within the same platform. ClickUp's ability to integrate with financial tools like QuickBooks and Xero, often via Zapier, further enhances its utility for financial data flow. The capacity to create custom financial reports and track specific KPIs makes it a very strong contender for finance professionals who need detailed insights. Automation efficiency for financial processes. Automating repetitive tasks is a boon for efficiency in any department, but especially in finance where accuracy and timeliness are critical. Both platforms offer automation. Both ClickUp and Asana offer automation capabilities. You can set up rules to automatically assign tasks, update statuses, send notifications, or move items when certain conditions are met. ClickUp's edge in complexity. ClickUp's automation capabilities tend to be more extensive and flexible, allowing for more complex workflows and integrations. For finance teams, this could mean automating approval processes for expenditures, triggering reminders for compliance deadlines, or automatically populating financial data into a custom field based on task completion. This deeper level of automation can significantly reduce manual effort and improve the speed and accuracy of financial operations. The verdict for finance professionals. So, is ClickUp better than Asana for team collaboration in finance? The answer isn't a simple yes or no, but rather, it depends on your specific needs and appetite for customization. Choose Asana if your finance team values simplicity, ease of adoption, and a straightforward approach to task management and communication. If your financial processes are largely standardized and you prefer a clean, uncluttered interface, Asana will serve you well. Its focus on core project management with reliable task tracking and basic collaboration can be very effective for teams that prioritize getting up and running quickly. Choose ClickUp if your finance team deals with highly complex projects, requires granular financial tracking, needs extensive customization of workflows and reporting, and benefits from a truly all-in-one workspace that consolidates communication and documentation.